everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back today to do a layout with photos from my granddaughter's newborn photo shoot. Originally I was thinking about using that floral paper with this and then didn't particularly care for it, and now I'm just auditioning other papers. I do have that pink crosshatch in the background, but I tried the heart paper. I'm trying this dot paper and that looks okay from here, but in real life I didn't like it. And I decided that I was just trying too hard and I should just use the crosshatch paper. So that crosshatch paper is from Echo Park Bundle of Joy. It's the newborn paper. And then the brown paper there is Echo Park Bundle of Joy, and it's the baby cakes paper. And these are two photos of my stepson with my granddaughter, his brand new baby girl. And this was a new experience since he had two boys before this. So it was kind of fun to have a girl come into the family, and I just love these photos of him looking at her. And you can tell how really precious she is to him, which that's going to end up being the title, is Precious Daughter. So I did grab that 3x4 card from the Echo Park Sweet Baby Girl collection, and it is from the ephemera. And then I have that sticker there that says Precious Daughter. I have another sticker there that says Miracle. And frankly, I am going to play around way too much with these stickers. So I'm looking at other pieces that I have here to perhaps use. And I like that little store card that says such a big miracle and such a little girl. Because that is kind of like how they all look at her. And what I did is there is a border on the bottom of that card, but I didn't want it to stick above the photo. So I just tucked the bottom border underneath the bottom photo. And this is one of those tricky photo orientations where you have a vertical photo and a horizontal photo. And I'm actually kind of making this work. And this is kind of the arrangement I tend to do with them, is I tend to sit them just like this. Sometimes I'll put a piece where that card is. Sometimes the title goes there. Sometimes I use that for embellishing. It just kind of depends on my mood. I don't always do it in a square like this. A lot of times I'll do it in more of a rectangle, but in this particular case it was a square today. And I think that was because I had cut the that paper. This was actually the inside of one paper that I cut to do a border, and so then I had the inside of it, and I just used the inside as is. All right, so now I have that little piece that says Miracle on the bottom. I'm thinking about that sticker there, but it's a lot of words together, and then I shift Miracle. Now I'm going to grab my wax paper, because that way I can set things on the layout without having to worry about them sticking permanently, which is obviously important if I'm not sure and I have stickers there. Then I go back and I find the Precious Daughter sticker, and I keep going back and forth. Do I want this in there? Do I not? Do I want this in there? Do I not? It felt to me like there was way too much heaviness in the middle of the page and not distributed well enough. I found that little sticker there that says Love You, and I'm just kind of playing with where that's going to be on the layout. Like I said, I played with these stickers so much for something so simple. And then I have this other sticker here that says You Are Loved. And so that one I decide to put to the left. Then I decide I like that Love You sticker there. Or the Miracle sticker I was thinking about putting there, sorry. I still don't think I have anything in its permanent home yet. Actually, I think I do. The love stickers in its permanent home. And I just keep grabbing other stickers, trying them out. This is just one of those days. It was like, this layout should have taken me 5 minutes. It took me, 21 minutes, which of course is like nothing for a layout really. But it should have taken me way less than that because I had the bones of the layout done in the first 2 minutes. And then I struggled with the stickers for the rest of the time. I think that's good for you to see though, because when we're taping these things, we tape them real time and then we speed them up so you don't see, or we edit them so you don't really see how much we can sometimes struggle with the process. Hey guys, look, I'm gluing some things down. So I'm gluing that miracle sticker down. I'm going to glue down the precious daughter and then the love you sticker and then that sticker at the top that says darling. So now I actually have things in the places that I'm going to put them in the end. Except first I have to try something else. I found that little butterfly. Thought maybe that would be nice because it's not more words. Trying that little welcome to the world sticker. Oh, yep, see, moving things out of its place again. And what happens with the positioning of these stickers is they kind of go in a diagonal, which I like because they go from the top left to the bottom right in the pictures and all the embellishment is in between. So I didn't tell you where all those stickers came from. The Miracle sticker is from the Echo Park Bundle of Joy Alpha stickers. The Darling and Precious Daughter sticker is from the Sweet Baby Girl Element stickers. The Love You and You Are Love stickers are from the Echo Park Bundle of Joy Element stickers. So there's a couple of collections of stickers involved there. I decided I did want a little bit of a different texture on here, so I'm going to add these enamel dots, which are from the Eyelet Outlet and Brad's, which I got at Scrapbook Expo. I love them because they're like huge sheets and they're really inexpensive compared to what you normally buy enamel dots for. So if you go, plan on, and Eyelet Out and Brad's is there, plan on going and spending some money. But not as much as you would if you normally bought eyelets, not Brad's. Anyway, it's getting late as I'm voicing this over. And I used a ton of them on here, which is nice. Lots of different sizes, lots of different dimension here. All right, guys, here's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.